will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your bad pull up. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here. In there you're looking for bad pull up, or just click on search. Then here add bad pull up, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, you search here for Balpol app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.